Amidst all the news this past year, one event has continued to make headlines: the ongoing court dates surrounding the murder of Amber Spradlin. Spradlin was murdered on June 18, 2023 in the home of Prestonsburg dentist Michael McKinney. His son, MK, was charged with her murder, while both McKinney's and family friend Josh Mullins were charged with evidence tampering. Mountaintop News covered several pre-trial hearings this past year as all parties involved discussed experts, evidence, logistics, and more. 2025 kicked off with McKinney's attorney requesting that his $5 million bond be reduced.
He says it wouldn't be fair to go to trial. It's not fair for someone who's never been charged with a crime to sit in jail for 2 and 3 years while they get their ducks in a row for a case that they brought.
It was denied. The Floyd County Courthouse saw some excitement on March 13th when Spradlin's family disrupted traffic with their protests, causing the judge to set limits on their demonstrations. A request for a change in venue was also granted, moving all future hearings to the Pike County Courthouse. On May 22nd, a jury trial date was set for December 1st. Pre-trial conferences continued, with the prosecution continually requesting the jury trial date be postponed to allow for adequate DNA testing and compiling of expert witnesses, and the defense requesting MK McKinney's bond be reduced. The request for delay was granted on November 7th, turning the December 1st date into a pre-trial conference to discuss when a jury trial should be held. In the meantime, Dr. Debbie Hall, Spradlin's cousin and face of the Justice for Amber campaign, entered the race for Floyd County Judge Executive against current Judge Robbie Williams, saying she would advocate for transparency and change.
I want everybody's input on what we can do together to make this place better for us all.
At the December 1st hearing, Judge Eddie Coleman granted the request for delay, moving the jury trial date to May 11th, as well as the request for bond reduction, reducing the amount from $5 million to $1 million in property and $400,000 cash. This was quickly followed by the McKinneys stating they could not meet this requirement and requesting a further reduction. At the same time, attorneys for both MK McKinney and Josh Mullins asked that their requirements for home incarceration and electronic monitoring be lifted, citing it was making it difficult to meet with their attorneys. Judge Coleman denied this request, but did modify McKinney's bond, resulting in his release on December 18th. Amber supporters rallied at word of this news, and Mountaintop News managed to catch it on camera. The next pre-trial hearing is set for February 26th at 10 a.m. Reporting for Mountaintop News, I'm Robin Tillman.